say fi turn it up, me turn it to a notch again. Me money enough, me girl them no for that bother them. Mr. Christmas, remember me no got a lot of friends. Some man say them a shot at them, but what you know about shabba them? Shabba them, shabba them. Yeah, ha ha. Anything me say me, I gotta do me mean it.
Go on YouTube, Chef Fitzy back in the place with another recipe. Yeah man, today we're doing Fricassee chicken. Already cut up and ready, you know. So stay tuned while we do show you how to prepare Fricassee chicken. Oh.
Them say fi turn it up, me turn it to a notch again. Me money enough, me girl them no for that bother them. Mr. Christmas, remember me no got a lot of friends. Some man say them a shot at them, but what you know about shabba them? Shabba them, shabba them. Yeah, ha ha. Anything me say me, I gotta do me mean it.
So welcome back. Here we have our chicken that we cut up. We dice it up. As you can see, wash with vinegar and ready to pour seasoning. Alright? Over here we have our spices. Check out our spices. We have our ground season. Yeah, that have been our garlic, our onion, and blend up. Also have our all-purpose over here, the Maggi all-purpose. Over there, we have some black pepper, we have some paprika right here. And also, my newly blended season. I even use some of this season on my jerk when I doing it, you know, because it's a little bit spicy. So I don't have to add any more scotch bonnet to it. Because that alone have the whole of the spice, alright? So we're going to pour it nicely over upon the chicken here. Nicely. And then we're going to rub it in. You guys always see me rubbing in my chicken, you know. Make sure I spend time and rub it in nicely. Massage it. Massage it like it been to a 5-star spa. As you can see. Right? Rub it in nicely. We're going to leave it to marinate for about 2 hours. And then I'm going to show you how to prepare Fricassee chicken. It's the same recipe as how you prepare a brown stew chicken, but it's a different method. We're also gonna let's pour some browning on it. If you have oyster sauce too, you can pour some on it too. Alright, pour a little browning on it and give it that little browning look. Alright, if you have any oyster sauce, you can add it, but we don't want over season with chicken, you know. You understand? I remember we had a whole heap of spice, but the browning gonna give it a nice flavor and a better look. So stay tuned while I show you how to prepare your Fricassee chicken. Alright? I'm out. Alright, so over here we have our pot with some oil in it, about a cup of oil. We also add some of the oil that we used from the chicken yesterday, because I tell you, when you use an oil like that, it give it a nice flavor and an authentic taste. So we are get it hot first, and then we put in our chicken to start fry. Alright, about a cup of oil. Alright, so now we're going to place our chicken nicely in the pot. Nicely. So we're going to brown each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we turn it. Brown, you know? Good. We're brown each side for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we turn them. So now we're going to get a first turn, you know? You can see, as you can see, them getting a little bit of color. Wow, nice brownish color, you know? Good. As you can see, them getting brown, you know. As I tell you, Fricassee chicken and brown stew chicken, the seasoning method is actually the same way, but the cooking method is the different way. Normally you just pour everything after you season up for your brown stew, you just put it down and cook it down. That's different. Now, Fricassee, you have to fry your chicken after you season it up, and then you're going to saute your rest of the season, and then you're going to add back the chicken to the pot. Alright? So don't get it twisted. Fricassee chicken, different method of cooking. Brown stew chicken and Fricassee chicken is the same method of seasoning, putting the seasoning and seasoning it up. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, our chicken is nicely brown on each side. We're going to remove them from the pot, and we're going to pour out about 90% of the oil, and then we're going to put it on back because we're going to saute our vegetable with the same thing. Our rest of seasoning, not our vegetable, our rest of seasoning with the same oil. Alright? Alright, so over here we have some of our seasoning that we cut up. We have our red tomato, we have some thyme, we have some onion, we also have some carrot, and we also have some Irish potato. Right? We're going to saute this and then put it down to cook. Alright? So as you can see, we have sauteed down this a little bit. We're going to add a little bit pepper. And also add a little bit of any other sauce you have, like oyster sauce, you can add to it. Just kind of saute it down a little bit. Alright. Alright. So you remember the base that we seasoned the chicken in it. So the residue of the season still left in there. So we're going to add like a half cup of water to it, and then we're going to add it to our saute Caesar there. Alright? So we're going to add the rest of our seasoning from our base that we seasoning in. To our saute vegetable. Alright? So you're going to leave that like for 5 minutes to cook down, and then we're going to add back our chicken. Alright? Right, look where I look. Alright, we're also going to... Alright, look where I look. Good. Yeah? Coming on. We're also going to add a little bit of cornstarch to it, yeah? Just to help to thicken your gravy. Alright? I like that my gravy and a little bit thick, you know. You see me? You see how the cornstarch make it look already? Good. Alright, and then I'm going to add my chicken. Alright, look at it now. Look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Look at it. Wow. Alright, so we're just leaving it to simmer down for about a minute, and then we're going to share it. Look at our Fricassee chicken. There you have it. Our Fricassee chicken served with vegetable and rice. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah? Gorgeous. Yeah? Yeah, I want to send thanks out to all my viewers, all my followers. Thanks for subscribing. Continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube. Can continue like and share on Facebook, Fitzroy Needham. And continue like and share on Instagram, Fitzroy Needham. Yeah? I hope you guys enjoy this show. I want to say shout out goes out to my mom, my dad. I love you. I'm out.
Them say fi turn it up, me turn it to a notch again. Me money enough, me girl them no for that bother them. Mr. Christmas, remember me no got a lot of friends. Some man say them a shot at them, but what you know about shabba them? Shabba them, shabba them.